Yo, what is up, YouTube? I'm gonna show you guys how I hit a 1 to 2, 60 points on the Nasdaq today on multiple accounts.
I got two black hoes in my condo, sucking on the bottle card. If she buy it, I see if she swallow it. 100 band chug, 100 band chug, 100 band chug. I just fuck this band suck. I be flexed up, call me Cardi bands up. Two bands, give me throw my dance up.
So to begin with it, I was aligning myself with the overall higher time frame. Yesterday we manipulated heavy. We have somewhat of a market maker sell model. So if we just zoom in, I'm gonna go right into market open, which is around 9:30 or 8, right here. So what ends up happening is we create SMT at this low right here. Internal sell side gets tagged out by the Dow Jones. We come into this 5-minute, but if you take a look here on this chart, this 5-minute and this 5-minute does not get tested on ES. So that's some sort of SMT on PD arrays. And if we're really bearish for the market maker sell model, this would be our just a pullback or retracement. And if we really are bearish, this SMT is not going to hold. This is just an internal low in my eyes. When we have a bunch of draws lower, 4-hour unfilled, we have a whole NWOG to potentially come and fill in even more. And this is the 4-hour, this is the daily candle. And if the 4-hour and daily candle are printing, if they look bearish, then if we really want to flip, we would have to climb all the way up here to create a bullish move. But these highs in here in this PD array, we came in, retraced, distributed way lower. I believe we do have we trade into this bullish 4-hour, but as you can see, that is what created our reaction to come pull back higher. And then midway this candle, during the hour, during the 15-minute, we are pushing right through the 4-hour. So when we create the SMT, we end up pulling back to a 5-minute 5-minute PD array. And the longs were good on the 1 minute. If we take a look right here, they were as longs here on like 30 seconds to the 1 minute. But if I were to take it, I would have taken to the 1 hour unfilled. But the 1 hour up there ends up becoming a breakaway gap, which is also another sign that we are complete bearish. We're not coming in to retrace even higher. So the only thing we had at market open was this open 5-minute that we created pre-market. So when we create the SMT, we come back into pull back. And if our 4-hour and our daily and our overall structure is showing us strong bearish signs, I'm gonna look for a continuation lower. So that's what I end up doing right here. So I wait for the change in state delivery, and also it aligned perfectly with an inversion. So once I get that down close candle right there, I enter, as you can see here, and I target the midnight open price. Due to some consistency and prop firms I'm using, I would have definitely held it to here, but I'm just taking whatever I can in these market conditions. I'm also low size for this rest of the year till market conditions improve, and I'm also just taking my time and controlling my risk every day. What if we just take a look? It's bread and butter. This was a smooth, no drawdown whatsoever. It's pretty simple. This was a pretty simple trade. Nothing much to explain. And then we get a pullback to this PD array, and we push even deeper into this NWOG we had. We have a 4-hour unfilled, which I'm not sure what happens to the rest of the day, but that's another target that I would have been looking for. So we end up coming in there, and we tag 50% of that NWOG, come down. But as you can see, the new 4-hour candle made its high up here, I believe. So you could have got some sort of 4-hour power F3 going on here. But then the daily candle prints or distributes even lower, and it's just purely bearish. So one thing I just want you guys to take away from this video is that aligning the higher time frame to the lower time frame will help tremendously. Looking at the 4-hour, looking at the daily candle, how we open, what kind of structure we're in. But this was pretty much a simple day, and if you guys are interested, I do have a free Discord community with free resources. And if you're interested on how I day trade every single day at 9 a.m., 9:30 open, I do offer a mentorship. It's $50 a month. It's probably the cheapest in the game. I hold up a lot of knowledge. I can teach you the basics of market structure, how liquidity sweeps work, SMTs, a little bit of the market maker buy model, market maker sell model, overall determine which kind of model we're in, what kind of cycle we're in, XAMD, AMDX, etc., etc. And that's pretty much it.